In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create a navigation menu for your website. But first of all, let's know what a navigation menu is. A navigation menu is a list of links that helps users navigate or move around a website with ease, typically found at the top or side of your screen. And it contains some of the most important pages of your website. So, the purpose of a navigation menu is to provide a clear and easy way for users to find their way around a website or application. And like I said previously, it is typically found at the top or side of the screen, and it contains some of the most important sections or pages of your website or application, such as the home, about us, services, contact us, shop, and so on and so forth. So some of the most important pages of your website that you want users to easily access when they visit your website, it is always advised that you put them on the navigation menu. So now let's see practically how a navigation menu looks like. This is a navigation menu. So this is the desktop preview of this website, for instance, and this is the navigation menu at the top of your screen. And sometimes on mobile devices, you'll see uh, a symbol like this. This is called a hamburger. This symbol is called hamburger. So it is typically used to represent a menu on mobile devices. So if you click it, it's going to expand the menu and you'll see some of the most important links of this website grouped in that menu. So this is the navigation menu. This is also the navigation menu and how it appears on mobile devices. So in the website we created previously, you can also see the navigation menu here containing five important pages, which is the home, services, about us, blog, and contact us page. So if, for instance, you want visitors or users of your website to quickly find your services, you have to put this on your navigation menu. So when they click on it, they'll see what your website offers. In this case, you see the services that have been grouped there and even the pricing. And then this is the About Us page. So when somebody lands on your website and they want to find more information about you, they come to this page and click on it. And then this is the blog page, which contains all the blog posts that you publish, or the blog posts that you publish are under the blog page. And this is the contact page, which contains your contact information. How do you want visitors to contact you? You know. So wherever you are in this website, if you want to go to the home page of this website, you can simply click on home and it's going to take you back to the home page of the website. That is why it is called a navigation menu. So it helps users to navigate or move around your website with ease without getting lost. So let me quickly show you how to create this navigation menu. But before then, when you import a template like this, like we did in the previous lesson, if we import an already made template or website, in most cases, it comes with the navigation menu already. It comes with the navigation menu, but you can modify it or recreate it totally from scratch, depending on what you want. So to create a navigation menu, you need to log into your website dashboard. In the previous lessons, we learned how to log into the dashboard. So once you log into your WordPress dashboard, point to appearances, you point to appearance, and then you see menus here. Click menus. So once you click menus, you're going to see the existing menu here. This is the existing menu for this pre-built website that we imported. But if you're building from scratch, the menu will not be there. It means you have to create a menu from scratch. So here, this is the already existing menu containing these items that you saw on the navigation menu here. You can see home services, about us, blog contact. If you come to the menu here from your WordPress dashboard, you're still going to see those items here. So you can remove any item from here which you don't like, or anyone you don't want to include here, you can remove it like this. Let's say contact page. If you remove it and save, if you visit your website and refresh the page, you see that the contact page is removed. But you can also add items to the menu if you want. So from the left here, you see this tab, add menu items. These are the page. You can add pages, you can add posts, you can add categories, you can even add custom links to your menus. So these are the available pages that you have created. So if you want to add any of these pages to the menu, you simply need to click on it and choose add. So you can view all the pages in your website here. If you want to add a contact, a custom link, for instance, you come to custom link and put the link here. Where do you want the, what link do you want to add on the navigation menu? Let's say I want people to, I want to add a custom link here. I'm going to add the link here. Could even be an external link to a different website. It could be a page on your website. It doesn't matter. So you add the link there and put enter the name for this link. Click add to menu. It's going to add that custom link to menu. You can also add some categories of your website to the menu items. And once you are done, you click save menu. So if you go back to the website and refresh it, you'll see that those menu items you added are included in the menu. You can take a look at it. So if, for instance, you want to totally create a menu from scratch, uh, it it is possible and very easy to do. So once you're in your WordPress dashboard, you move to appearance and click menus. So it's going to take you to the menu page, and here you will see create a new menu. So once you click create a new menu, this is how to create a menu from scratch. Once you click create a new menu, the first thing you need to do is to define your menu. So to define your menu, you have to set the structure of your menu, which includes the menu name and the menu settings. So the first thing to do is to give a name to this menu. Let's say this is your primary menu or the main menu. You can give it any name. So once you give a name to this menu, the second thing is to decide the menu settings. So first of all, you need to choose the location of the menu. That is, where do you want the menu to appear? So your menu locations depend on your team. It is your team that decides where your menus appear. So in this team that we're using, there are 4 menu locations. You can see that we have the footer menu, the header menu 1, header menu 2, and then the mobile menu. There are 4 menu locations. So where do you want this primary menu to appear? Let's say I want it to appear in the header menu 1 and also the mobile menu, so that this same menu can also be uh, appear on your mobile devices. So once you set the menu locations, click create menu. Good. You have created a menu known as the primary menu, and any item you add on that menu is going to appear both on the header, which is the header menu 1, and it's also going to appear on the mobile menu. So now let's add items to our menu. So Let's say I have some important pages built already on my website, and I want to add them. I'll have to come here to view all the pages. The pages. So I want the home page to appear. I want the about page. I want the contact page. I want the services page. I also want the blog page. I want all these 5 pages to appear on the menu. Um, um, okay, let's say I just want the home page, about us, and services. Now let's add all the 5 pages so we can good. I've added all the 5 pages there on our menu. Um, let's say I want to add another item on the menu, VFX. I've added another item to the menu, which is a category option. Well, once I am done, I'll come here to click on Save Menu. That is it. I've created a menu for this website. If I come here or visit the website and refresh it, you'll see all the items I've added to that menu reflecting here, and it will be the same even when you preview this website on your mobile browser. And also, just as you can easily add items to the menu, you can remove items you don't want in the menu. Let's say I want to remove the home page from the menu. So what you're going to do is click on this arrow and click remove. You see that option is gone. Um, let's say I want to also remove about us. So you click on the tiny arrow there and click remove. It is gone. So you can also rearrange items in the menu. You simply have to drag and drop. You point to the item you want to move, point to the item you want to move, drag and drop. That is it. So once you're done, click save menu and good. You can visit your website now and preview it to see how it looks. You see that the appearance of the menu has been altered. So that is how you can create a menu, rearrange the items of the menu, and also remove menu items that you don't want to show. You can also add sub menus. You can add sub menu items. So all items on this menu are main menu items or parent menu items. So you can add child menu items or sub menu items. Let's say um, I want I want these 3 items to become sub menu items. So I'm going to drag them to the right, move them a little to the right. So this menu item will now appear under this. Move it to the right. Let's move it a bit to the right. Good. So these 3 menu items will appear under the main menu item. I can add other menu items that I want. I can add other menu items. So this is the main menu item. This is another main menu item. So now let's add sub menu items to one of these. Okay, so let's make client 1 a sub menu item and also client 2 a sub menu item. So once you've done that, click save menu and then come to preview your website and see how it looks like. You see that there are 3 main menu items here. And when you point to each of these menus, it's going to show you the sub menu items that you included. It's going to show you the sub menu items that you included. So whenever you see this arrow sign, it shows that there are sub menu items under it. And if you move your mouse around, you're going to see the sub menu items. So this is essentially how to create a menu in WordPress and assign items to it. So I'll see you in the next class.